Valley of the Gods in Utah after doing Monument Valley yesterday and riding through Mexican Hat. And it's a 17-mile dirt road. Yeah, I think I need a new bike, but Blackjack's going to suffice for now. But it's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to take some footage as I ride along, and probably a lot of footage actually. But it's just magnificent. I could ride around out here forever. I just love the red soil, the rocks, everything. It's so beautiful. Haven't seen any snakes yet, so all good. Anyway, time to get back on the road. Yay! Valley of the Gods, still in Utah, still on dirt, actually 17 miles of dirt, but it's awesome. I've actually crossed 2 creek crossings now, one with water, one without. The bike made it. I still need a new bike, but look at the view. This is freaking awesome. I am so pumped right now, so fucking pumped. It's unbelievable. Look at that. Woo! I love my bike. I love Utah. Woo!